check out this ECOVACS DEEBOT that we got. This is the greatest robot vacuum on the market, let me tell you. Here is the dirty water container where it empties its dirty water when it's done mopping, and here's the clean mopping solution. Everything is app controlled. It will tell you when any of that needs to be changed or serviced or needs any attention. It also has a vacuum feature, which you dump the vacuum bag right here on the bottom of it. We'll pull the vacuum out of its station here. Here are its mopping pads. The thing I like about these is they're magnetic and they'll just pull up out of there. It's kind of hard to get them popped loose, but strong magnets, and then you can just put them back in there. They clean themselves. Here's your vacuum surface and your side brushes. Here's what the little vacuum looks like. Every once in a while it will give you an alert to clean your mop tray. So what this thing does is it drives up in here on this mopping surface and it cleans the brushes, and then it takes the old water back up into the machine. This is just awesome technology. It keeps our floor clean, it's quiet, and it has an awesome, great battery life. If I was looking for a self-emptying vacuum / mop, I don't think there's a better one out there than this one. The app is super easy to control. It has 3D imaging that it makes of your house as it maps it out. Just overall, this is an awesome vacuum.